Backwoods, Florida adventurers. We're here at a very special place today. We are visiting by water. And actually, this is the very first time I've ever visited this place by water. And this is Fort Matanzas. This was built, I don't know, like 14th century, like 1500s, to guard this inlet, to keep pirates and stuff out of the settlement of St. Augustine, which was founded in 1539. So this fort was constructed sometime after that because of raiders that would come up through this inlet here and try to attack Castillo de San Marcos at St. Augustine from the south. That's where we just came from. So that's why they built this. It's a small fort. It's not huge. It wouldn't have a whole lot of people living here. But they still got a couple of the cannons there. You can't visit it right now because of the daggone COVID-19 shutdown. But I'll give you guys a good look at it anyway. So I'm sure they would have had a battery up there at the top. They got a little lookout. It's a typical Spanish style. I'm looking at the bottom here. Yeah, we still got plenty of water. So this would have been like an outpost fort right here. Just kind of first responders. Or anybody trying to come up here from Matanzas Inlet to attack St. Augustine. So a pretty cool spot. Bunch of history there. This goes way, way, way back before the United States was a country, or even an English colony for that matter, way back to the Spanish settlement, which is the oldest long-living settlement, continuous settlement in the United States is St. Augustine, and this is one of their outposts. So we've been running around here trying to find some fish today. Not doing a whole lot of luck on that, but we're gonna go on up here and give it a try, see what we can find. All right, sails hooked up. All right, well, get in fighting mode, fish fighting mode. Let's get a net up here. Probably a shovelhead shark, I would imagine, but it could be a giant redfish. This area is known for that. So I'm getting everything ready. Get your pole up higher.
Damn, what do you think?
Are you sure you're not? You wouldn't be hung way over there. Probably a daggum stingray ways back then. Just let go. Pull your pole up. Suck down to the bottom. So I'm saying stingray.
I don't know.
All right. Well, I can't film you from in front of you, so.
I don't know. I'm sure I'm not stuck on something over there.
I don't know what you'd be stuck on. You're stuck on a stingray, I think. Hold the camera a second. Let me see if I can get him loose.
Oh my God. That's what they do. They just sit there. You ain't getting That's what I thought.